Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. Kitty sitting looking up at you. It's hard to see the lines in black cats sometimes, but it can be in other cats too. So we just go with what the information we have here and kind of map in Kitty's shapes. Some lines in there for the eyes. And create that cute little muzzle. And now to darken up some of the lines a little on the body. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat and tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. Help build this lovely community of crazy cat artists. I'm liking the look on Kitty's face now. I am going 4 times the speed here and voicing over. I just kind of like to let my drawings become what they become. Yeah, that's toe beans facing the wrong way. We'll fix that. Look at those lovely little eyes. That paw was a little bit too big perspective wise, so I shaved it down a bit. Always correcting as I go. Yeah, no, too dark there. I just kind of wanted to show a subtle line there, but not much. Whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.